Hey guys, it's Amber. So today I'm going to be doing a really fun unboxing. So this is a new to me subscription. This is a Japanese and Korean beauty box. Now, if you have been around on the internet for any amount of time, you've heard probably amazing things about Korean skincare, and they have such fun, cute products. And so when they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review their box, I was like, yes. So super excited to see what's in here. This is the August box, so let's just go ahead and open it up. All right, so inside we have, hey beautiful, love your box, Sharon tag. I think this is pronounced Nomakenolife. Maybe I'm saying that right, maybe I'm saying it wrong. Ooh, some fun things. So right on the top it has their Ready, Set, Glow little catalog here, which has a bunch of details in it, I'm guessing. Oh, awesome. So this talks about the August box lineup. So let's go through everything and then I'll look for more information in this. So the first thing that I'm seeing right on top is the Honey Skincare Face Wash. So this says, enriched with natural honey, gently cleanses while hydrating skin, leaves skin's natural moisture and balance. So I thought it'd be fun to do a little try on. So I'm going to show you everything, and then the makeup products that I have, I'm going to try on, and then I will try out the skincare products after. So we'll just get ready for bed. It's the end of the night, so it'll be really fun to test these all out. All right. Oh my gosh. I'm slightly concerned and kind of scared, but I've heard good things about this. This is snail cream. Yes, I said that right. Snail. This says snail essential cream. Snail secretions filtrate will provide nutrients and elasticity to your skin. It contains 10 different kinds of seed extracts added to make your skin moisturize and makes your skin gloss and smooth. All right, next, this is the Lovely Cookie Blusher. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. So let's see, open, this is sealed, so let me open it up. Always love a seal. Okay, oh my goodness, this is so freaking cute. It's a really pretty pink. Should we try it on? It has a little puffer. Okay, let's. That's a really pretty color. I can see it really well in the mirror. I can't see it quite as well on camera, but sometimes things will show up better in real life or different on camera. That's cute. It's just a nice natural glow, really pretty, very adorable. That is something that you could just set out on your little vanity because it's just so cute. Ooh, what is this? This is a two-way lip and eye gloss. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. I can't read anything. Okay, multi-gloss. I might have to read more about this, so I'm gonna wait to research this a little more before I use that one. Ooh, this is a whipped cream face wash. So this looks like you put the product inside the jar, add water, shake it, and then it fluffs up into like a whipped cream. That sounds amazing. So adorable. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It looks like a little Starbucks cup with, there's like this little blender inside. Oh my gosh, this is really fun. Okay, let's see. Ooh, next. Petite Bunny Gloss Bar. This is from Tony Moly. This is, let's see. Oh, it's like just a little lip. Okay, let me wipe off what I've got. I think this is going to be one of those really fresh, like, stains. Oh, it smells so good. Just a really nice, fresh, pinky color. And there's a couple more things. So we have a mint chocolate lip mask, and a mint chocolate face mask. Oh my gosh. Well, let's get trying it. Okay, so the foaming cleanser. These are apparently all the hype in Japan. There's a foaming tool that helps you lather your face and body wash in no time. Comes with 2 packages of skin enzyme cleansing powder you can use. So this is a body wash? That is amazing. So apparently after you use that up, you can use this inside there as well. So let me try this on and I'll show you this and then we will get to the foaming face wash and then I'll put on the snail cream because apparently we put snails on our face. Alrighty. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, this is oh wow. Let me try putting it on with my finger. Guess that's what I was supposed to do. There we go, that works a little better. That is super shimmery. Okay, now let me try it on my lips. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, how fun. That literally could be used over anything. All right, so I think how we're gonna do this is we're going to do the face wash. Then we're gonna do the face masks. And then we're going to finish with the snail cream. Are you ready? Oh my goodness, let's see. I think I'm just gonna mix up half of a packet because I'm not gonna be using it on my body. I'm just gonna use it on my face. So if you want it to be a creamy foam, you go up to this line. And if you want it to be a dense foam, you do this. So I'll do a little less since I'm gonna use half of it. Let's see. Am I supposed to put this in first? Okay. Oh, it's like pink. I feel like we're having a science experiment. This is so fun. Okay, now is it supposed to be warm water? Doesn't specify. Luckily I'm in the bathroom, so I have the sink right here. Okay. So I'm supposed to do this for 20 seconds. Oh my gosh. It's like shooting everywhere. I'm going to use a makeup wipe to take off most of my makeup. And if you guys have not watched my channel before, don't be alarmed. This is not making my skin red. I have rosacea, so I have pink skin and redness. So don't worry. I'm not like having an allergic reaction or anything. Okay. We are going all in. The earrings are coming off. The hair is going up. We are ready. Okay. So this is what my foam looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. This is so weird. Oh, wow. So this is supposed to be good for people with sensitive and acne prone skin, which is one of the reasons why I feel comfortable putting it on my face because I have both. This is so fun. Can you imagine like mixing this up all the time? It'd be really fun to do it in the shower because you would just be like, whoosh, or like a bubble bath and you get like your foamy cleanser. So I know I've got mascara and stuff under my eyes. So let me find out. Honey one is like, this is supposed to also be foamy. Okay, so this came out like thick and kind of creamy. So when you just rub it together, it's like this. Oh. Oh, wow. So I wonder how you can use this with the foaming. This face mask has all natural ingredients. That is awesome. This one's even thicker. Okay. So let's try a little experiment here. A tiny bit of water in here. Put some of the face mask or face wash. Okay. Now, let's see if I can get this to foam. Oh my gosh. It's working! Okay, yeah, that totally worked. And actually, this is like even more foamy than maybe even more foamy. So, when you do that, it's oh my gosh. This was like those bubble masks. Do you guys remember when those were all the rage? All right, next step. Let's look at the face masks. Okay. So this is the mint chocolate face mask. Let her rip. Dude, I should have totally Instagrammed put that foam on my face. What was I thinking? Missed opportunity. We were having a family dinner the other night and my brother was like, Instagram your food or it didn't happen or something like that. And I just was like, okay. Oh, this legit smells like chocolate. Oh my gosh, this really does smell like chocolate. I don't know how long I'm supposed to leave this on for. I'm guessing like the same amount of time as a normal mask, which is usually like 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, then the lip mask. Oh my goodness. This is like, it's like jelly. Alrighty. Woo! Let that set for a good little while. My skin definitely feels like there's some serum on it. It feels moisturized. I did notice that the mint chocolate, like it was kind of a little plumping action. Probably would be better to use this in the mornings. You could have the plumping effects during the day, but for the sake of the video, you know, I gotta try it. So what are we left with? I think it's just the snails. Okay, this like remotely freaks me out so much. I don't know if I can do this. Snail creams are very, very popular. I don't know if I can put this on my face, guys. It doesn't smell like anything. I'm gonna go for it. I'm just gonna go big or go home, right? Let's put it on my wrinkles here. Okay, it smells nice and it doesn't feel snaily. Okay, well, who knows? Maybe I am a snail secretion kind of girl. This was so super fun. So this is a subscription service, so you can get your very own box sent to you for $35. And if you guys are interested in trying it, I do have an affiliate link down below. So I do get a little kickback if you guys decide you want to try this. I'm really excited that they wanted to work with me and have this little opportunity. And I really thought this was super fun and exciting. This would be a great gift to give somebody who's like a beauty lover, because it's just like so many fun things that I normally would never try. But now that I've tried them, I'm like totally in love. This is just so fun. Like, I want to see what other kind of face washes I could put in here and just like foam up and, you know, get these wrinkles worked out with this snail cream. Trying the blush, the lip product, that lip topper was amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!